So hello and welcome. Today we are not in Visual Studio Code, but we are in RStudio. And we will just create a new file, R Markdown, with title, My First PDF with R. Author, date, and we will create PDF document and we'll use just current date. And now, as you can see, it's all prepared just for us and we will try to knit it. We will save it as, for example, first PDF and we'll knit it. As you can see, after a few seconds, you will have a very nice PDF document where it was just all prepared for you. It's like some template or something like that. You can use it, you can rewrite it, and it's something like this. So now what we will do, we will close it and I will delete all this what I don't need and we will just create our own document. So away with all. And now we will try. We'll make our header with example, I don't know, example 1 and my first PDF document with R. Okay, so we will just save it and knit it. As you can see, our PDF is here and we have all clear document with only a title, author, date, and our header, example 1. Now I just prepare for you some section. We can create section. As you can see, this is we are using a Latex document with RStudio and just make for us very nice PDF trace of metrics, our section without number. Okay, and now I just prepare for you some. We'll see what I just prepared for you. And this is a trace of metrics, how we can calculate this. It's a trace, something like this. Now we will look how it will show you. Let's just look after our code is our trace here with our metrics. So it's very nice, very useful. And we have a visual section where you can see how it's not only our code, but how you can directly see how it's visual, how it will be in your documents. Very nice. And RStudio is very good for this. You can write it with Visual Studio Code or you can write up with RStudio. It's only up to you. So it's really just for you, prepare for you what you need. So only try yourself and it will be very, very successful. Okay, now we will look again how it will be our PDF. Quick knit this, and it's really professional. So you don't need to use any time some boring editors or some another. And you can install packages with this directly, or you can update your packages with just one click. And you can control if it's your packages, they are up to date. So it's really nice. Another possibility is to look all these packages which you just installed and or search to your packages. And for this, I'm using tiny text, and you can look all documentation or explanation, and it will help What means all? You can watch, for example, you can read tutorials, you can start your tutorials, and you can learn all alone. This program is very nice. We can look together what you can make with. You can make files like Quattro document, Quarto presentation, Shiny web application. It supports all languages, programming languages like Python, C++, or JavaScript. It's very nice. Swivi, it's something what it can help you, and I'm using for today Markdown. Okay, so it's nice possibility how you can create very nice PDF documents with just a few clicks. So it was all for today, and if you want to learn something more from me, so please subscribe my channel, give me like and abo, and I hope you can create with me nice PDF documents, and we can just look in another program. So thanks for watching, and bye everyone. Bye.